Hello guys, we are going to discuss one more question based on the water flow. So basically water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe of 20 centimeter internal diameter into a circular cistern of diameter 10 meter and depth is 2 meter. In how much time will the cistern be filled? There is a circular cistern of diameter 10 meter and the depth is given as 2 meter. Now the thing here is that we need to find the how much time taken for this. So let us consider that the cistern gets filled in x hours, because this is in hours, so we'll consider this as hours. Now what will be the length of water column here? Length of water column is nothing but this, correct? So length of water column is equal to 3 kilometer. This data is given in meter, so we'll convert to 3000 meter. So 3000. Now here we don't know the r, so we'll consider this as xr because we have considered this as x. So we can write it is basically 3000 x meters. Why x meters? Because 3000, 3 kilometers converted into 3000 and into what is the time taken for that is also considered. So basically x meter. Now then what else is given? It is given that cylindrical pipe is of what, 20 centimeters. So cylindrical pipe r is given as 20 centimeter. We have to, r is nothing but 20 centimeter. R is given? No, it's basically diameter. So r will be equal to what? 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter, because this is the diameter, internal diameter. Now we want in 10 centimeter to be converted to meter, so we can convert this as meter. I can write it as 1 by 10 meter. Okay, so 1 by 10 meter. Now what is the h here for the cylinder? H will be nothing but length of the column, which is 3000x, correct? H we know, r we know. Now we can find out the volume of water that flows in the cistern in x hours. That is nothing but pi r square h. What is pi r square h? It is nothing but the volume. 22 by 7 into what is r here? 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h is 3000 into x. This will be in meter cube. What is this basically? This is nothing but the volume of cylindrical cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder. Now what will be the volume of cistern? This is nothing but the volume of cylinder. That means water is flowing at the rate through a cell. So volume of cistern will be volume of cistern. What is cistern here? It's basically a circular thing, so I can write it as, so volume of cistern will be what? So basically the circular pipe is drawn into a circular system of diameter. So basically it is also a cylindrical pipe. So we can say it is 22 by 7 into what is r given? R will be 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into depth is given as 2 meter, that is h, so 2. So one more thing you have to remember, this will be in meter cube. So one more thing you have to remember is that, see, this volume of cistern will be equal to volume of cylinder. That means volume of the water that flows into the cistern is nothing but the cylinder volume. So I can write it as this volume will be equal to this volume. So basically I can write 22 by 7 into 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into 3000 into x will be equal to 22 by 7 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 2. So from this I have to find x. X is nothing but the time taken, correct? So from this I will get it as s. X, you have to shift all that side, so you will get the answer as 5 by 3 hours, or I can say it's basically 1 hour 40 minutes. See, basically, why am I putting this equal to sign here? You have to understand that volume of cylinder we found out. It's basically what? It's basically the volume of water which flows, correct? Which flows into the cistern. See, water is flowing at through a circular pipe of this meter. The circular pipe, we are considering it as what? It's basically circular pipe means cylinder, through which the water is flowing into a circular cistern, which is also a cylinder of diameter this much. So it's basically what? Water which flows through the cylinder will be equal to the volume of cistern that you have to consider. Okay.